Sneaker app time. We're going for size 9.5. Oh, we got 'em, boys. We got 'em. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel again. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I started vlogging in the beginning of the pandemic, but I pretty much post about anything that I do in my life. You know, mainly about cars, working out, and I kind of just want to share all of my hobbies, like going shooting or buying clothes, buying shoes. And today we're gonna unbox a few items that I recently just purchased. I thought I'd share with you guys. I was able to grab some pretty cool stuff, so I just wanted to share it, you know, just in case anybody would like to watch. Like, I know my wife likes watching my videos because I kind of force her to do it. But actually, let's run downstairs really quickly. I'll show you guys what I'm all about. Again, I mainly post about working out and cars mainly, so let's go check that out real quick. And there's my 2017 M4 that I have BBS wheels. I got a lot of parts coming in, and I like to modify it and drive fast and hopefully not get racing tickets or speeding tickets, I'm sorry. And then this is my home gym that I barely use. I should probably use a little bit more, but we're gonna go ahead and do a gym review later on, and that's me. But let's go back upstairs to my office. I'll show you guys or tour you guys in my office or my little fun room, and we'll unbox some special items today. And welcome to my lair. Oh, I'm out of breath. First things first, RIP WRX Virus Kit. That was my last card that I sold to get the M4. But these are the items I want to unbox today. Here's the load of my computer. All right. As you saw in the beginning of the clip, we'll start off by seeing what we got from Nike, the sneakers app. Fortunately enough, I woke up by that alarm and I was able to snag these dunks in collaboration with NOTRE or NOTRE. I really don't know how they pronounce it, but it's a Chicago-based company that collaborated with Nike to come out with these dunks. And I'm from Chicago, so I definitely had to buy them. No longer residing in Chicago, I actually reside in Seattle now. But here we go, guys. Just unboxed for you guys. Didn't even open it myself, but we're gonna go ahead and share it with you guys. Size 9.5, because I'm small feet, boys. Yo, these laces are freaking sick. Check it out, guys. By no means am I a sneakerhead. I like buying shoes. Before, I used to buy them to resell, but lately I've just been buying to wear. Now that, you know, I'm a little bit farther in my career and I can afford these shoes, but damn, these are freaking sick. Damn, these 9.5 look fucking humongous. Who else was able to cop these? I know they were pretty limited, but they're not reselling for much either. Maybe like double the price. I think they're going for like 3 something right now. But what do you guys think? Rock or drop? I think rock. These are super cool. If you guys can see in the Nike, there's like a handshake, which I think is super dope. It would have been super sick if it was on the outside too, or like the swoosh was on both sides. Probably gonna rock them. Ooh. I'll probably put them on my feet afterwards and show you guys, but let's go ahead and unbox the second box. The second box we got. This is another company that I follow very closely. I've been rocking his stuff for a long time, since the ASIC days. You know, if you haven't caught on already, this is a KITH item. Mr. Ronnie Fee. I've been following this guy, wearing all kinds of ASICs back in the day when they were super hot, and now he's been collaborating with a bunch of different companies. This drop was ridiculous. I got up 8 a.m. Pacific time, ready to purchase a bunch of stuff, and you know, I had 5 things in my cart. I probably should have known better, but I only ended up being able to cop 1 thing and losing all my favorite items that I wanted to keep. Mr. Homer Simpson in the front right here. Let it kind of focus. Hopefully it focuses. But you got Homer in the front and the KITH emblem in the back. I really wanted the other items that had like the full, you know, embroidered KITH badge. This looks like it was just, you know, a screen printed KITH logo with embroidered Homer Simpson in the front. I really wanted the family tee with the family stack. And I wanted to get the Lisa or the Marge one for my wife, but once I was checking out, I was only able to get one item, and this was it. But hey, whatever. Again, it's not a really big design. I just really want to rock it, and growing up wearing the Simpsons, I think that was a super, a no-brainer thing to do. The sweater is kind of small though. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna put these shoes on too. Let's let it focus again. And we're gonna go ahead and fucking put these on. Hey, and if I'm doing something wrong where I'm not lacing them correctly, and all you shoe guys are looking at me and wondering what the hell I'm doing, by no means am I a hypebeast. I don't collect a lot of shoes. I buy the shoes that I like. Oh fuck! What the? Let's get these on our feet so we can share them with you guys. Whoa. Okay, these are pretty dope. All right, what laces do I rock? Do I rock these like polka dotted ones, or the brown tan one, or the, ooh, they come with the white laces too? I might have to rock those, to be honest. But let's go ahead and put these on and show you guys what they look like on the feet. How do they look, boys? Let's get this on the ground and check it out. And again, these are the Nike Dunks by NOTRE. NOTRE. No idea, but super hot. Oh, in case anybody wants to see, this crew neck is actually kind of tight. It's a size large. I'm 175, and it's pretty tight on me. I don't know if I should start buying XLs or if this thing's gonna shrink. Oh, we gotta take this off. It's fucking too hot. I just want to share some of the things that I enjoy in life on my YouTube channel, so that my friends and so some of my subscribers or whoever finds this interested enjoys it. But that's it for the video today. Thank you again for tuning in. I'd appreciate it if you guys subscribed. Whether you're into fitness or into cars or into clothes, I'll be posting a lot on the stuff that I enjoy in my life. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.